Using steam combined with hot air gives these Filo pastries a crispy golden result. While the oven is preheating, we can prepare our Filo rolls. Using fresh Filo is a lot easier to handle. Place a damp tea towel on the Filo pastry that we're not currently using to prevent it from drying out. Dab some melted butter on the Filo pastry. We don't need a lot because the steam is going to help us assist with the lamination between the layers. And in between the layers we're giving a generous sprinkling of black pepper, ground black pepper, and some Parmesan. So we've got 3 layers in total. Down the bottom we're going to add our prosciutto and our fresh asparagus, which have had the woody ends trimmed off. We're just going to roll it up tightly to help it seal, some melted butter. And then you can cut into whatever desired shapes and sizes you like. Once out of the oven, these can be eaten hot or cold.